Meritt. Meritt is an open protocol for self-service creation and maintenance of peer-to-blockchain financial contracts. A unique decentralized platform, which today will be really in demand and popular. After all, intellectual contracts are the real guarantee of high-quality execution of transactions. The Meritt project is ideal for decentralized fundraising, token financing and more. An open protocol for the formation of a chain and performance of peer financial contracts. In this case, we can consider a simple algorithm of using the Meritt platform. 1. Setting the objectives for the new contract. The Meritt financial contract complies with the ERC-20 standard, which establishes the basis for token transfer and separation. The transfer may be restricted by a closed group of users and temporarily suspended. The token can be frozen. 2. Dynamic payment channel. Any payments from the issuer of the contract tokens, for example, payment of dividends by the company, to the member pool are automatically transferred to the corresponding purse where the issued token is stored. The distribution takes into account the proportional distribution of the underlying asset. 3. Voting and bilateral communication. The voting mechanism may be public and the votes are transferred directly to the evaluation contract. Alternatively, the votes may be private, and only the hash is presented in the contract to ensure the authenticity of the vote. 4. Bidirectional information channel. The issuer of contract tokens can send messages through a smart contract to all participants to comply with information obligations. Participants can send messages to the issuer when a contract is required. Easy to create contracts and implement them. Through the network of Meritt Network Btt, the company, means, creates and issues a financial contract corresponding to the blockchain agreement token and is placed in a special contract for distribution, which automatically sends the contract token up. End receipt of payment from the participants, like a vending machine. 1. Database for storing created contracts. Participants and observers may request Meritt registers to obtain data on the existing of Meritt contracts, to the extent that they are publicly available, as well as data on events related to each of the contracts. 2. Data store framework. Allows users of Meritt to manage and provide identity and other personal information in a self-regular environment and to provide limited access to their data. The data itself can be hosted independently or stored in a distributed data store. 3. Several important features of the project. It is worth highlighting the factors that can attract the attention of platform participants. For the simple implementation and settlement of various financial contracts for Ethereum blockchain. Agnostic asset class protocol. Financial contracts Meritt can be securities, loans, bonds, utilities, property or tokens for donations. For each issued financial contract, a specific ERC-20 contract token is created. Key terms committed and settled on the blockchain. Transparency and confidence in the future execution of key terms and audits on immutable distributed books. Secured issuance and unproblematic servicing of financial contracts through intellectual contracts. An ID of the sovereign identity card and secured property right. Participants have full control and ownership of their encrypted personal data and identification data and may disclose information about zero knowledge. Decentralized and free, without commission merit, without intermediaries. Decentralized blockchain architecture. Only the gas costs were incurred. Performed financing in a real peer. Conclusions. Meritt, the creators of this unique decentralized platform, are ready to give their clients the opportunity to enter into profitable, high-quality, safe transactions. Any intellectual contracts are the perfect guarantee of fulfillment of all conditions of cooperation. In this case, all the participants of the transaction get reliable protection against any fraudulent schemes. In this case, all transactions are executed very quickly.